Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd update you on my day today. So far, I've been working from home, and in a little while, I'm meant to be going off to court for a phone driver case. Weird thing is, I can't find the case listed on courtserve.net. Anyone can sign up there if you're looking for information about upcoming cases. So I had to phone the CPS at Marlow House and find out what was happening. And they're not sure either, so there's something weird going on. One of their lists has the case on for today at 2 o'clock. Another one has the case on for Wednesday. So who really knows what's happened? I think something's changed. There was an adjournment. So it's a little bit frustrating, and I'm going to probably end up having to go twice, today and tomorrow. Bummer, huh? Luckily, this particular court's not too far away from me, so be it. Anyway, on to today's video. A motorcyclist. You can see him in the background there. You can also see some of my hobbies, which are flying model aircraft. These two here, which are much overlapping, are carbon fiber discus launch gliders, and that's just a fun, foamy 3D airplane. Yeah, I like flying radio controlled models. See you next time. I think I should probably remove this scooter on that.